Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going Q2 of the weekly contest 394. Count the number of special characters 2. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. So this one's similar to number 1 except for it has an added condition, which is what, just as a side note, is I'm a fan of this. Instead of just making n bigger or something like that, it is an actually different problem, but with the same somewhat ideas, but not really. And it's going to be 2 times 10 to the 5th, and the key part about that is just that you cannot do n squared, right? You can, but just because you can't do n squared doesn't mean, you can't do anything less intense, right? You can actually check it for every alphabet, every letter of the alphabet, right? You could be like A, where does A appear first? And then the big A, or uppercase A, where does it appear first, and the lowercase a last, and so forth. And you can do it that way. I didn't do it that way because that would be alpha times n, which is, I want to say is fast enough, but with Leetcode you don't know and you're not sure, and I'm saying that as an I don't know and I'm not sure. So but why take the risk when I don't have to? I had an idea right up to my head, which is just to keep track of them in one iteration, right? And that's basically the idea. I have the first, which is also for the uppercase, and last, which is for the lowercase. And the structure is very similar to the other one, which is that we iterate on the index and the character. If it's an uppercase, we change it to lowercase so that it is easier to use later. It's normalizing it. And then if it's not in first, then we set it so that's the first time we see an upper case character of this character, right? Otherwise, again, I put it here for symmetry. I don't know. I don't remember if I said it out loud, but I knew that it was going to be lower, but already lower. But it's just, you see the symmetry, you like it a little bit more. And then I just said last, it's the last appearance of this lowercase letter. And then now for everything from A to Z, you just go through it. If it's in first and is in last, that means that it has both upper and lowercase. Then we just check that the last one is before the first uppercase one. And if so, then you do count plus 1 and you count it all up. That's pretty much it. Same complexity as the last one. If you don't know it, then this is O of n, because you just need to look for all the every character. So that's going to be O of n plus alpha here, the way that I wrote it. And for space, this is O of alpha because this only goes up to 26 characters, and alpha is the size of the alphabet, which is 26 characters. I guess I didn't mention that. But yeah, so O of alpha space, O of linear time, linear plus alpha if you did it this way. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. And yeah, you can watch me solve it live in the contest now. 301. No typo, please. Thank you. What's the difference? Oh, something about before. Lowercase of c. All right. Well. So upper, we want the first. Okay. If C not in first, I don't. This is technically not necessary. I just want to give it for consistency's sake. Okay, and now something like this. I always need to Google this. I always forget what it is exactly. ASCII. Oh, I got it right. Okay. If C in first and C in last, and C of C is uh, 300. All right, let's go. All right, let's go.
2
Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, this problem explanation. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.